This is my first time using the clear Frosty HTV by Specialty Material to sublimate onto a white cotton t-shirt. I printed the sublimation design using the Sawgrass SG800. To create my cut file, I did a contour outline slightly bigger than the design and sent it to the vinyl cutter in a mirror format to cut. Because this vinyl is clear, it was really hard to tell what side to cut. So I took my reading tool and I lifted a corner of the vinyl just to see and make sure that I was cutting on the correct side. Press the clear vinyl at 300 degrees for about 7 seconds. The Frosty vinyl is a cold peel. I carefully aligned the sublimation design with the vinyl, knowing that I had a little bit of space on the edges because the clear Frosty was cut bigger than the design. I pressed the design at 385 degrees for 45 seconds. I did notice that when I removed the sublimation paper that I had a white residue remaining on the design itself. I was able to wipe away the residue with a wet tissue. Specialty Materials does not have any instructions listed for sublimating onto the clear Frosty, so I'm not sure if this residue is a result of either too much heat or maybe too much pressure, or even if it was too much time. But I'll play with the vinyl some more and figure it out for next time. I was still able to complete this shirt design and the customer was happy with it, but I do want to perfect the process.
Let's go, Mommy!